Are you tired of archery targets that fall apart too easily? Maybe targets that are hard to aim at, or they just simply make arrow removal a nightmare. Let me show you why the Morrell knock-on target is one of the best for both beginners and pros alike. Stick around to the end of the video as we're going to make another announcement about a giveaway you don't want to miss out on. So if you're new to the channel, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Dale. I'm going to do a breakdown on why I believe the knock-on target made by Morrell is one of the best out there, and it will help you with your archery game like no other target I've seen. It's going to be great for helping you get your bow sighted in. It's going to help you with long range practice, especially if you just got a brand new bow sight. I know this time of year a lot of people are putting their bows away. Guys, this target is one of the ones that's going to make it fun for you to keep on practicing so that next year you're going to be ready to hit the woods. We're going to go over the specs real quick. That way everybody will have a better understanding all about this target, and then we're going to go into why it's so awesome. The top left hand side of this target, you have 3 NFAA target faces. The top right, you have 9 1 3/4 dot for close range shot execution. This one actually makes for a fun game of tic-tac-toe also. The bottom left has 1 3.5 inch square and 4 2-inch squares around the outer edge. And this is to help you learn to trust the float. The bottom right, NFAA field target face. You'll notice the horizontal line going directly across the target, as well as a vertical line going up and down the target. And for any of you that have ever tried sighting in a bow, you know how important starting with the vertical line is, and then as you're dialing in your yardage, that's where the horizontal line will really come into play. This will help you in so many ways and make it so much easier to get your bow sighted in. Then on the back of the target, you've got 1 10-inch center dot, which is ideal for 60 yards. So for you guys that are trying to sight in your bows and shooting those long ranges, this dot is specifically designed for 60 yards so that your sight pin is not actually covering up the target. You've got 4 additional 4-inch circles, which are also going to help you at 50 yards. You've got 4 3.5-inch circles, which are going to help you at 40 yards. Both sides of the target are designed for prolonged use, utilizing the entire target. That way you're not just wearing out the center shot. The target is big. It's 27 inches tall, 25 inches wide, and 15 inches deep. It weighs approximately 44 pounds. It comes equipped with an easy carry handle. The target is built to take thousands of rounds with field points. This target is not designed for broadheads, and if you're shooting arrows with collars, or maybe your field points are bigger than your arrows, it's not really designed for that either. You can end up messing up the face of your target. So make sure that your field points are the same size as the shaft of the arrow that you're using. That's just going to make it last even longer. So some of the key features that really in my mind make this one of the best targets there is. Number 1, sighting in your bow. Like I mentioned, it has the horizontal line along with the vertical line. Almost everybody, and I know when I grew up sighting in bows years ago, we'd take a piece of masking tape and you'd get you a vertical line and you'd start working on your left and right. After you got that dialed in on your sight, then you'd put a horizontal line in there, and that would help you start getting dialed in on your yardage. This target comes with it, guys. You don't even have to carry around the tape anymore. I mean, they thought of everything. And then as you guys know, when I was a kid, we started out shooting bows. 20, 30 yards was a long shot. 35 yards was a really long shot. The bow technology has advanced so much that people are realistically practicing at 60 yards. That was unheard of back then. This large target on the back makes it even easier using your sight to get 60-yard shots dialed in perfectly. That's what this large dot is for. If you're trying to sight in with some of the other sights that have the small circles or traditional small circles, you get back to 60 yards, and even with a target style front sight with the really microscopic small fiber, it could essentially cover up the target. That's where this 60-yard target really comes into play in my mind. One of the best things about this target is it's going to be real easy arrow removal. If you guys have shot into some of these harder targets, when you end up exerting more energy to pull your arrow out of the target than what you do drawing back. That just wears you out and makes your practice less fun. To me, the green aiming points make it a lot easier for me to see. If you guys, as you start getting older, our eyesight isn't what it used to be. And this bright lime green makes for a really easy to see target. So it makes it easier when you're sighting in your bow or just doing general practice. And then, like I mentioned, the small circles makes for some really fun games. You can go in there and challenge yourself. In the top right corner of this target, you've got the small circles. You could play tic-tac-toe with your friends. You could do all kinds of things, but it's a really great way to kind of see where you're at and what you need to be working on to improve your archery accuracy. It just makes it fun. And let's face it, if we're having fun, we're more apt to go out there and do it. All of you probably already know that shooting of any style is a perishable skill, and when you have a target that's designed to be fun from the factory, it's just gonna make it that much funner, and fun equals better consistency in the long run. Because again, archery is a perishable skill. Guys, if we keep it fun, we're gonna keep going out there and shooting. Now then, as I mentioned earlier in the video, we currently have a giveaway going. If you'd like information on how you could win this buddy heater, look at this, brand new in the box. I'll post a link to that video down below. And then also, if you haven't subscribed, I'd love to talk you into subscribing. Next week, we're gonna be doing a video, especially for you, on why bucks lose their antlers in late winter to early spring, how you can find these antlers. So be sure to stick around so that you don't miss out on that video. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If you guys have been using the Morrell target, comment down below. Let us know what your experience has been. I know that we've already done another video on a different target this year, but this one here, in my mind, is one of the funner ones. I'll also put a link down below to where you can find this target. It's the only place I've been able to find it, and it's definitely worth ordering it if you want to step up your archery game. It's not an affiliate link, so don't worry about that, guys. It doesn't matter if you use my link or not. I'm just telling you, it's a really, really cool target. I'm glad that Nock and Morrell teamed up together to bring this target so that all of us can experience the benefits of what a great target this is. And then lastly, if you guys like archery target stand like this one, it's real simple. You can do it with basic tools. I'll put a link to that video also, or in fact, I'll put a link right up here. You guys can go over and check that out. And until next week's video comes out, I hope that you all have a blessed week, and let's get outside and make something happen.
Some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party?